My people, inside the matter where they for Abule, it don't cause so many fight for everywhere. So
Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another ogbonge malicious matter come again. Now, who we want watch right now, right here? We want to watch Monica Lobo, where for the give her to everybody wey fuck up. My people, wahala dey o. I would like to leave una make una watch this very video. Please don't fail to drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. God bless you all, and also like and share this very video. Stay
Nigiri,
blessed and enjoy watching.
yawa dezaga. Abi kwa yaga pina, wagi pina jina.
You are in in fact, first level, grade A, Ujena. You are in the grade A level, dementia level, Ujena, Nobody has ever told you that before. Your clients are like, oh, go, Mama Nora. Listen and listen well. If you don't know, let me tell you. If you think somebody like me want to be like you in the near future, hell no. Mama Nora, you are supposed to look at me from afar and tell the difference between you and Asaboro. If nobody has ever tell you this, I am telling it to you now. You are supposed to point out the difference between yourself and my very self. You are stupid. Is it to bear children? Is that what you call you bear your kakpa? No be a zagama masowe. Hello? No be a zagama masowe. Uwe, you know that. I still have little for you because of Enogi. Because I'm not working at you. If not, eme ake giabinu. Ablansi do move. The wake gweji. Wake gweji. I don't want to finish that video. Wake gweji. Let this one be the first and last.
It's my birthday week. It's very sweet, delicious.
If you don't know, I am telling it to you again now, with no apology. You are so mannerless. You don't want it. It's so painful with the canila worori. How dare you? Like seriously? You know that if you see people where I don't groove, not be to bow. You wear ordinary 90 million fee open it to 20 million naira fee open it to. You wait both for audio 20 million naira. You they talk to me. Eh? You wear ordinary 20M open akbekos. Don't you not see? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Mama Nora? You? Mama be a biena. No wonder you they look, you they feel so big. No wonder you they booga. I never knew you were so useless to this level. I never knew you were so desperate to this level. At the age of 33. Between your 32 and your 35, if I'm not mistaken. Very lousy human being. Very mannerless she goat. Are you for it? Very poor and bad upbringing. Very, very. Very bad upbringing. You are crazy. Then you talk to my late mother. How dare you? Don't ever try that again. If you dare it. If you dare it, even in a grave, are you mad or something? What you on? You working? Have you ever heard of the word when two elephants fight, the grass will suffer? You think you are normal? You think separation or divorce only affects the men? It's both sides, both the man and the woman. Both the man and the woman. Look, take a very good look at yourself.
Don't fight, oh, two elephants is fighting. Two elephants is fighting.
You say I sit down my neck. Yes, I have peace of mind. I'm not bothered about anything. I'm so comfy in my little zone.
The fight
I don't
right
live
now.
above my income. I do not impress anybody. I live according to my pockets. Mama Nora, if you see me
The
one-on-one,
fight right
I
now
swear
is
to
between
Almighty God,
Asaboro
body
nation
will tell you.
versus
Body will
Bubu
test
nation.
you. Where my neck no fool. No man they
Bubu
beat me.
nation, oh yeah, una there.
Where my neck no
Asaboro
fool.
nation.
I know they sleep like cover one eye. Say you were busy doing live video 3 a.m. I was sleeping. You are running from live from Facebook to TikTok. You are running a casket. Only God knows how those children will look like. Who tell them where banana ni eye. Only God knows. As it stands now, only God is their refuge. You dare call yourself a mother? You are mad. Indeed, you are mad. You are a psychopath. That is who you are.
Hey,
A psychopath patient.
encyclopedia.
Nobody dares talk to you. Like, seriously? Who the hell are you? What have you contributed to the community? Who you be? You know they look yourself? I mean, you know they see yourself. What do they give you mad? Who they encourage you? Who they encourage you? When I see me see this tattoo,
They say you
this
guys are
riffraff,
encyclopedia.
this buffoon of a
I'm
human being,
reporting
this
from
non-necessity, who has
Hey,
no respect for humanity, not even for herself. Are you crazy? You went off it off. Are you mad? Tell us how they say. Before you talk on me again, tell us how they say with no comma, no full stop. Spell them. You are crazy. You will not even manage. Till say you go fee do comma back. Start illiterate. That's who you are. The lowest of it all. And nobody for that matter. You are mad.
social media friendship is a scam. See the money where all of the backlogs.
I will because of a no game. Yes, but I have to tell it to her. If she refused to take my name off her mat, I not money here. Then because of a no game. Yeah, because of a no game. You were so bold to say you make it talk the reason why you couple money for your head. You have been accepting what you don't like right from ages. That's to tell how stupid you are. You cannot even differentiate yes or no. You cannot say no when you are supposed to say yes. You cannot say yes when you are supposed to say no. Then you call yourself a woman. Standing in front of the police, you can't even talk. You can't defend yourself. An idiot. A mother for that matter. You can't even call a ordinary taxi. Bishe, my was a mother of 4. You can't talk to your children in English. You can't talk to them in Dutch. You are not dead, you are not living.
I was you think I want to have a poor?
You woman muscle.
You don't have a poor, I have a get.
You woman muscle. Yeah, no. Go and ask of my mother. My beautiful mother, may her precious soul rest in peace. Go and ask. When she insulted my mother, are you kidding me? When she insulted my mother, if I love Enogi, I do love Enogi as a person, as a friend. Not when my mother is involved. I wouldn't give her the opportunity. Who does that? Is she crazy? Mami ebi Paris. She has no single respect for humanity. Not even for the living or the dead. Who the hell is she? Who the hell is priceless? Who the hell is Osawese? Who the hell is she? What is she taking herself to be? Who
knows sabi speak English for this saga go so far. Asaboro say
are you for it?
No be name.
Because when my left and right way, you can never do without no trace. No, you know they had do when you clean out. No. 20 million naira. Nuwa ye won honore Nigeria. Ode. Onyu huaji. Obieji. Aye jena. You go marry. Owa hubana. Only my fowa. You still went ahead. A marriage where you were supposed to say, no, you never reach one, I don't need them. Then you want to tell you who you want fool. You can only fool yourself because people like you and yourself alone. Also, a man banner, very mannerless being.
I must have go to school. English book baby saga.
If anything don't come, that is none of my business. You know why? Now what does she want? It's what she wants. She's been craving for space. I just told her, give her space. Yes, I'm still saying it. She needs that space. She wants to be alone. She wants to be single. She wants to drink water, drop cup, according to her companion, Jama, whatever, boss lady. She wants to drink water, drop cup. She wants to do kata kata. She wants to run her race herself. She said she go to appointment yesterday. Good and fine. This is just the beginning. May we say how you will run and reach infinity. You forget that your children are very young. Your children are so young. You never, one of them even take care of oneself. You want to use yourself compare people with their children don't grow finish. People where get support of black boy. People where they have go they fuck for them. You want to use yourself go they support them. Not my brother, you are blessed. Just be yourself and be okay. I can't take any insult because of you for now. But she shouldn't go to that level of insulting my mother. I will not take it from her. I don't like it. You cannot say no when you are meant to say yes. You cannot say yes when you are meant to say no. After luring the innocent soul into your mess, you want to leave him at the middle of the sea. Now Gondoka where Orion and they talk boo. Unu where ma? Okay, I know say my mouth not good. You are an idiot. Yeah, you are an idiot. I bought Umana change. This is just the beginning. But I'm out where do you benugi because of your boy. So nogi where be bene eyeta ekata eye mudanya. She needs space. She wants to run her home. She wants to be the Lord and Master of herself. She wants to be the captain, and there can never be two captains in a boat. She's not willing to come down. Let her come to the Single Sisters Club. You can imagine her. I thought I'm going to see my. You are crazy. Woman be weird. What do I man? Woman do no man. We money yeah, it boo if depression I swear blast it to move. What me what do I man? Can Jenny man I could take time man. Where yeah, mama rule be oh. Nana mama bani. Denia. Uma do when I let you who allow while sisterhood. Wallow nine. They be no more nine. They be no more. I wouldn't get as a banner. What it has no more as a sisterhood near. While they are tape us a banner do you know. Take a very good look at me. I'm so comfy. Take it or leave it. I am so comfy. Go and ask. When are you comfy? I'm so comfortable. I have abbreviation. No, if you wear both, no, I'm so comfortable. I greet you, Pretty Obasoge. I'm so comfortable in all I do. I sew my coat according to my material. I'm not faster than my shadow. No. I don't live above my income. No. I'm not a government property. No. Go and ask whosoever have dated. I respected them, but you know what? I wasn't ready for marriage. I don't know what marriage is all about. So I wouldn't want to go in for it. I have said it time without number. Do you know how many of my exes still want me back? Do you know? Do you know that I just don't want it? Do you know how many of my exes will gladly receive me back? They play for them. She can't speak good English for 5 minutes. Mama Nora, if you decide or you take it upon yourself to insult my late mother, please do that with good English for good 10 minutes. Good 10 minutes. Are you hearing me? Do that with simple and correct English. I don't know what kind of a mother are you. A mother that cannot even teach her children English. A mother that cannot even teach her children with Dutch. Then you are blaming Enogi. You need this education. You need it. Some say, go get education. It's very important. School not be scam. You see that your 23 paragraph. According to Mommy Rita yesterday, she said, and I quote, "Oh, when I'm with grief, you were born a wow agbano. Always kuruma on Jonah or why you get. You will no more win on a why you win. Haven't you heard about this song? If you know sabi read and write, you blind those I wanna say. You were big but down on social media. If you know sabi read and write and speak good English, it no make you complete person. Pioneer, I'm here with Bo at school. Ijomo, what it a be, a own walk. It was one of your work in the Maria, you don't want to tell Mama, one way now, I'm with here. You see what your father have got? Why is that your neighbor? Here, Bowie. While darling of being here, we are what? Also, I asked one school. Mammy, and they get down at a get a ski, and they get down to walk. Ijomo when he dares a no gi. A no gadobo go to school and I'll walk. In when I hear idea, I will get winner. When I wow, now little anymore. I quit right in a cone. Erebo. We be a kind of with better way. Yes, with social media because I won't buy biomo. And they were not any. And they were not Johnny at Joe. And they were not Johnny and I'm with better way. Yes, there no way. A log and a man. You don't laugh it to Jay. Ma. Hello, Mama, I don't laugh it to love it.
It's a quoi. It's a what quoi. It's a quoi. What did I like?
Prank.
It's a what quoi.
Yeah. You know that sugar wa fun ori wa ni tori me ni sugar wa fun ya. Aegui okati ogbalegbe in a year oko itu ogbalegbe for more than how many years? E bo tori ko ni be no do. Won tori ko ni mo pe ako wa re ni gbe oko. Ni be no mu kian ni ku paper no mu kian na ya gbaleka. A newspaper no mu kian. Ko 28 paragraph, 23 paragraph gbe ma oko wa. Me paragraph no mu kian. Mama ya te we re gbe gun we gwo na gwa mama ya te we re gbe. Why go? We're going to know one. Follow way. Ugwe ni me. Ebi me do celebrate be. Ye Nora. Igo ni me ya we be. O wa we ni nu do bofo ni. Omo emu dia go and ask. Since 2005, 2006. Ya time 2006 ya de no 2006. And they do ya re me ya duro. Yes. Kage Jesu wa de. Ni me ke we pe. Iga ide ticket ni. Idene due e stamori ere no yari ene dia duro we Milano ya de medona si negbe me idene aduro ri e ba duro mari eme e ige lo ya nuru aka e ige ri lo re o e lo pa wa re ya we be vitali ye no la wo go my sister ya no try ya ne ya ni me celebrate ni me itamu we na o ma gbafo sanoba no ge gbafo e de no gbe na no ago mo gbe e ke idane gigi meje no agere no mo gbe e we no me be ni je na efin awuje Nora. What do you cut on me? Uga me 2 years uke mu no ge come ba abele yo e ba puka iwe ma la flat one day we no ma efin awu na ni ya we to aboyo ma wina no make mama proud. We on no gi na make je proud. We mu we. E mu we. Me ane be ye ordinary 6 months before now. Ah, umaime de. Umaime ye Nora. Try and uge me say you nyame. Idi emosiona. Whether you put mo ni le. Agi ugu me we o si obawa. Me. Umaime. Me no yok bewe. Umaime de. Talori ebenu waya o. Italori ebenu waya o. Victor Brown, I don't say when I was one, and I go make me not go wrong marry because of una. Now so I tell you push my man Nora sona. Go marry, make we see. Una don't see her. She failed woefully. She failed totally. She disgraced sisterhood.
No,
So I don't want to be a disgrace to my hood. I will take my time. Is that clear? I hope you understand me better now. So hurry to go do one. No, I'm not there so. I don't want hurry, go fail. I don't stay long to come fail at that minute. Now that one disgrace they. No, I can't do that now. I really cannot do that. At this that minute. No. Hell no, I can't do it. I will excel all through. You go see my marriage, they say, yeah, you they applaud me, see, Asaboro, UMENWA, no magmo. Yes, you will be proud of me. I greet everybody. You will be proud of me. I don't want to run kitty, me, I don't pass my shadow. Yeah, I want to find one excuse. Oh, how many? Yeah, borrow you. No make enough me yakba. Irrelevant excuses. It I mean no, I don't look at well, now because of now he beat me. Why will not beat you? No done any. You think it will do you well? It will do you no good. Make they sleep to talk. That's the sign of depression. That's how to know a depressed element. That's how to know a non-useful human being. A mother for that matter. I was told she was doing the live video using to insult me 3 a.m. And as early as today now, she don't see enter TikTok. What else do you want to know about depression? Those are signs. Those are signs of depressed being. She's depressed. Mama Nora is finished. You think say separation only mind they affect. Oh God, why is it? Why is it talo? Go out of you upon no fear by. No fear by. If you want to insult me more, do it. So I say, my name is Effie or Asaboro. Do it. Mommy, do not involve parents in it. Don't try it again. On your one. Don't try it again. Very local human being. A woman that cannot construct a full sentence. Who knows your handwriting go be for grand? Is that you going to raise your children? I am fine, Sky Handsome. Is that you going to raise your children?
I like her because
you don't have sorry to her friends who are there for her. Really sorry. You don't give space to her to expose her stupidity this far. That's what friends does for friends. You give her a shoulder to lean on indoor. Fumi, I greet you, my love. You give her shoulder to lean on indoor. Make sure you cover all the lasses. She doesn't come out to fool herself again. This time she is married. She has ever wanted it. Ibiano yaka, isarigitu. Abiano yakpareva, abiano yakpareva. Oh, masa no ma ebiano majo ye. I was once a big man. Hey, yena na sa ome se. Hey, yena na o yena na buwebu. O sagaji mere o nuwere vieveme o. O isama jagbon veri oro bagbon na je. How dare you? Marriage of 2 weeks. You are in nenefiete. 2 weeks, 14 days after marriage, everything went down, everything collapsed. That's to show your incapability. Invalid human being. Special human being. Ugegbe. Saying a special child. She needs to grow up. She needs to grow up. You think it's to bear children? You think it's to manufacture children? You that is married to government. You? governmental property. You that is married to government. When the government is here, go and listen to Mama Rita. She said it all. Mami skunu lenana. Why you jere to gota? Mami muna nu lenana. Ku work newspaper no robo. Nu we lenana. Why you wa kan jere gani? U ke ya zi go gbe. U le vie mo giose. U le are school. Wa ru le de kiki. Go and ask single mothers. Go and ask them well. You see all those Abba say, I see any man I be a
It won't finish, so it makes more. My people, this one where they just they say, this one where they just they say, this one where they just they say, I not get nothing to say.
I drink water drop up or say when no you wire model winner. No drink water drop up. You people see and say, Mama Nora say I follow her doing that. My sister, God bless you. He don't tell she don't know how she want to talk her say this married daughter yeah because of our math when I cause her. God bless you when you come up and talk and so as you just see and so you just see that your goddaughter being a student. You know they learn anything. You need to break her head, put something for her. You see her? You were able to say no. You walk away, isn't it? She don't know how to say no. Even in the midst of no, she accept marriage. You do that one. You are. I never said the no-gay is not 40. Victor Brand. Hello? Where have you seen a video I said a no-gay is not 40? Where? Tell me. They have fought. But I give 65% to Mama Nora. I give 35% to a no-gay. What happens if a man and wife or a husband and wife have argument? What happens of settling it indoor? Have you thought about that, Victor Brown? Have you? No. Okay. What happens even if a no-gay decide like he has anger issue? What happens if Mama Nora decide to at least keep quiet for 1 minute? Just for a minute. What?
Okay, me I talk for that one. Okay, if husband and wife quarrel as Asaboro nation is saying it now. What happened in saying it in the east side? What happened in saying it in the east side is what happened in saying it in the east side actually because she's asking a question. The thing I really wanted to say in what happens that
Happens to that. Will it take anything away from her? I never judged it once I go and look at my videos. Go to my previous videos and take your time to watch it. Don't look down a blog as the court. Sit your ass down and watch from the beginning. What happens? And you, Victor Brown, who is defending her now. If you say I take side with Enogi, fine. If you say so, good and fine, no problem. But heaven knows, I'm saying it the way it is in my mind. I want to put it before you. I don't know if you are a woman or you are a man, but from what you're writing, it's like you are a man or you are like you are a woman.
My people, we are not going to the return of the man. Return of the man. Return of the man. We are at the Popo Nation. Popo Nation. I don't want to see my lover go say I be Popo Nation. Who be Popo Nation? No, we are listening nation. We are at the listening nation. On that day here. Now they say Popo Nation don't retaliate to Asaboro Nation. Yariwa. Awo vione nekire vione le gbe agie ya bie. Nyawo vione wotowoto. Nyawo vione le gbe agie ya bie giage no mi ese. Me washing nation. Which one until say go sweet pass? Which one una get hope pass? That one don't give just now. If they give, like they see many people say, correct, I stand with this, I stand with this. Okay, now we want to play the other one. I know that if this one swear, I stand with this. Man, now they stand for one place, so I want then why go rien say? They no rien. I want play this one. Now I want first see which one una sure say go sweet pass. The Pupu Nation or the Asaboro Nation. Abi, we no get the one where we did for inside. Just watch anyone where sweet pass. It's not of your business. So yeah, listen. Listen. If it's sweet, it's sweet. Oh yeah.
Boy, why you wear manuwa? wana miege mi mana suwa boy wo manu manuwa ina abi every year we won owe ya e lo sa ba ju we wo ku e ri oji me wo ku we won he we ya bie
Ask them. You no reach the hand,
we
they
ya
say
bie
correct one.
oh yeah you do know where o e na listing
Oh, omogo every year my celebrate ye Nora. They don't let me ari mi jegbe. Oh, be bio be ni.
me wonu we bie
Oh, be bio be ni.
me wonu we bie won ho
Ko ya bie le.
ayo go ba na go ma ye bie okpa ekwe no nu e
Ulu ensha.
ekwe no nu e
Wa lu no ge se ya bie.
ekwe no nu e ge ba na ma ye bie okpa ekwe
Eno ga de kwe gba ri me o be no de gbede. O wa be bi ye ha pan ebo je wa ede mu ja gban.
mami ozuo na owenu giga de kwegbe wa wi me
Yeah,
wa we
one guy,
bi ye
and
ha
I cannot say your
no ga
boss.
bi ye ha e so no le na we na e ri fese e so no le na wo wa na e ri fese with o me hani Asaboro ri ya gele wetu ri ya le we nu ri ya le na e ogu me ume je ya ri opa yo to we nu ri ya le na ume je ya ri opa yo to Wene ki igbu ese una we te bue patiti e ki na we gbu ewa uma get black ya die jemi ni ado mu no gi no make night if your me hane no make night if no me hane me bie ne we bie gbe we ado bie hane e ke odo bie hane odo bie ise nena when he megbi mama when egbi manaji ma wa we menogi wa we biele o me ha yo e foja o veru ununi e foja o veru ununi o wa tala dia e noge si general e buwi ade enoge general okwo buwi ade we no okwo ma me bobo ya gbebo we no okwo ugo piaro wa we no okwo uwe baby mama to anybody walking out of Gwimegwa. I just purposely want to reply you. Oh, we no ma sick me and be wawe. We got lads, we not your tonic bo. I got who be. You know why you know why you never born now? Because men they scared say men they no go carry grandmama for us. Iya me woman no pa. Ni de gbe repeat wa you know where o ko iban.
Luene, wa lueno ge se ya bie ikopa. Onye for beto ma disturb wa le no de gbede. Eno ga de kwe gba ri me o we no de gbede. O wa be bi ye ha pan ebo je wa ide mu ja gba.
Okay, disturb you where?
No.
Saboro. So wa buno awunya wareke no ge na. Eya. General wa wake every day or we ha so Asaboro renu sun. Eya. Esagari ma ugbe so. De sagana mi ama we gbona worion. De sagana mi ama we gbona worion. Eno geke bi o me hani. A stress waking up in the night ni. Agbera wa ne mele wa gbera ne. E wa ni eken ke sun e. Eken owe o. Eyin wa we lagbera wo ye Nora yan de gbe wa ido sun e mana. Ewi na gwe gi aban. Karota o me gari ele. E karota o me gari ele. Gari ele. Ene gbe won ni ma veje. Ni de gbe for every that the place is sweet me.
Wa be bi ye ha pan ebo je wa ide ni.
The place is sweet me. Mo play again.
Ah, be bio be ni. Wo po wa ya biele. Wo ki se. Ulu ensha. Luene, wa lueno ge se ya bie ikopa. Onye for beto ma disturb wa le no de gbede. Eno ga de kwe gba ri me o we no de gbede. O wa be bi ye ha pan ebo je wa ide mu ja gban. No problem.
We ma mi benore UK no ka biene no no mara okwo we. We mamia. Why ya wele obatiti? Or you wele obatiti? Asaboro uwe ohia wea. Enwub be when you gbese ayoa. By this time,
If you
2020.
Mona wait till they say me I read this comment. Monica, read this comment. If you train a dog to back your neighbor, the dog will one day back at you. Woo, 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 woo. Very outspoken woman. Spoke to them. Don't speak. Oh. Spoke to them. Spoke to them.
4. You are not yet a mother. Saboro gekwe amuwe. Wodo gwa yezo dohame. Wona ya agwa go bokpa. Enu agwa na agwa. Jenora enu na ma o. Enoge enu na ma o. Enu gwa na ma o. Emorewa o. Jenora enu na ma. Enoge enu na ma o. Be na kwen wi nai. Wa agwa go bokpa ro deke enuge. Ukeke. Why so
all of them just need Becky. Gene o medali Becky, how are you? Becky Agape.
Oh ye puai. Eme no la za unugwa. Oh ye po. When me wa be respect wa gwan wo koko. When me wa be respect wa gwan wo mozu ona. Wa gwan we gwena. Ikwewebo. Ikwe UK. Unero laivo. Eri wajea. Eri wajea. Akweru sono rigo negnogie. Waka maweni classes then waka maweni classes then Ikpa ula o. Sisi gbanike mati we mwekonu we. Enogi awe eti. Umeke na ya momo owe obo. Umeke na ege esingo. Amana ebie. Ewo kono kokomo. Okpa. Umeke na the different.
No. If you they call. Me I know the. Hello, Ivie.
Hello, Yankee.
Gebeje, ire life oh.
Oh, Yankee. He may break.
Okay.
You hasn't get no in the your mouth. You know where anybody know why they around the Ogwa Lake. Well, we're not seeing over UK.
Ekia ya wagwalo. Eyi afe. Ekia ya gwalo ma wa we ropa mi kia.
Ekia international.
Ekia gbola. Agbo. Ekia ya wagwalo. Ekia magi atemata according to yan. Koje later. Mi agwalo. Ekia ya gwalo. Ekia ya gwalo. Ekia ya gwalo.
He go out and no fit sleep. Why no fit sleep? Not be lovely man. I go do out this country. You they would they cry your life say, how do I know? How do I know? How do I do this? Asaboro ge kwe amu we ko me kwe wa o. Ko we nu jeru ya gun. Ari benjo ya pe won bi we. Make na ti ya momo. Ko ime pori me na ti ya biele na. So tena iru le re mi egbe. Ime pe won bi we. I wash my womb. I do surgery for my womb. I clean all the other thing when they said. Let me picky cough. Before my hug me, I don't get belly. Before my touch me, I don't get belly. You go, if you need the connection, you tell me, Asaboro. You go bench. We are paying womb be well. You wash your womb. Any man will meet you, go get belly. Amen, my sister. I pray may you marry, but make you experience her. You that woman when they talk go on one side and you don't deal with man. If you they pray may you jam better man. You can't jam man when you no value of you and your children. The day when you go say me you talk come out that day na wetin you no expect and go buy you. Men no get go dey quarrel, you go dey play with children. Me don dey beg am since. Even though na need that me go need that for Facebook, I go dey advise myself. Mama Nora, that this kind man you want lose. Mama Nora, this kind man you apologize go buy you there. You shall be apologize for no girl. You dey mad. Man go beat you, humiliate you and your children. You call you apologize to her. Now this kind man you want lose. Now this kind man you want lose. This man will they take care of children like this. This man will they play with children like this. Una they call see the way they take they carry children. Una they call see the way they play with children. Una they call see the way they carry that they go out. Mama Nora, take your time. I go dey advise myself. I go dey advise myself. I go dey advise myself. They know they do anything. You know they near pikin if quarrel dey. Now shout, slap, kick. So tell your joko they throw kick. You go they throw kick. Wait till they see papa they do. No value of pikin. You dey beat their mama. Pikin they cry. You not know. You not can remember again. Pikin they cry. You not can remember again. Hey, Asaboro eriuja. Hey, ya ekia magbe. So you need to talk well, make prick for come. That a prick. If you not talk well, you not go see prick. You need to talk well. Make you for see prick. So that other man will go, they see you. They'll say, wow, this girl go get character. Oh. This girl go get character. See the way they talk. You say if now he not go do this kind of thing. So not be your fault. You they use this video. Take the fine husband. We go fit give you belly. So now I understand. You for let me know now. Nora, I want to do video for your head. I want use fine husband. I want use fine husband. So with this video now man will see you. Go say, wow, this is a nice woman. This is a nice woman. Who dey nice your men had okay where? Who dey nice yazio ye one more. Agwale don ame no hia gwinu aga gwanji. Yazio ye one more. Agwale don ame no aga gwanji no adu ate no right no adu ate no wrong. Akoja ovelelewe. I'm not be like my sister o sasefe. I thief bossers. I thief bossers for Enoge because they wear one bossers. Enoge hug me. He kneel down. He make vow. He say, Mama, no.
My people, more na the year. This woman want go thief bossers for his so-called husband. Away. Just here. If he not talking for here, I will bring it later.
I never bought that time. He say priceless. Nothing you go do me for this life, eh? One hotel put this my mouth, curse you. Nothing you go do me for this life. Why I know they say, no get you ever shed tears when I thief the bossers for her. Eroko even no be say. You be like man we get problem. I go sleep with another man, for example. If he come out for that problem, go say who be me. Una say where I marry her. Yes, when no get have nothing, when you have no supporters, when you have no fans. Eloge was a lovely and nice man. Yes, that man will be say maybe if you don't get so much, you can't bring your character come out. Because we were not having money to buy bossers. Mama be go yare wife, you go my yard the boss as here.
Even egg, that they go shop, go the thief 2, 3.
So it was not before I even make some quarrel. You know, they don't beg me. I don't feel like it don't they beg me. President lao. Imagine to go away ni make a night here bielele make a nakba. Iga biene imena where eri wejebe la bielelu where. Oido ami one away fans, supporters. No go give me your account 500,000. No go give me your account 3 million. No go give me your account 200 euro. Nora Nora Ogongbe pricelessly. Dokpa nokpa. Koya it's your cannot give for us. You know give they do not marry ne. No give love you we they do not marry ne. No give more marry we. Break go yours the bust. Rogo iwa bust. No give. Ude nice gbe. No give you are happy. No give they do not marry ne for marriage you. No give okay da me no ra me lucky gbe. If you no give yours a year all those one, he head go yours the bust. He head go the bust. Now those one call they make no get they misbehave. Nothing more. Dete ekhogiye ma document yon la jane. O wi ma buyan ya neya post the document da for wema la eladia. Like, are you for real? Are you for real? It is well anyway.
My people, if I come back later, we are going to play another bombshell. Mona just delay no. But before I go, let me play this one. If I come on here and I never finish makeup, just follow me to Baby Vela immediately. You will love that one. I don't want to play for this side. Wait. AGS, where are you? Yeah? Okay. More play this one, more take go.
Drink water. Make the water enter my belly. Then make I come day one marriage. Make they come beat me the way they take beat Mama Nora yesterday. Mama Nora chok bass go so. I don't get. Shebi you say I don't get husband. Congratulations to me. I don't get husband, but I get rest of mind. I don't get husband, I get peace. I don't get husband, I don't get high blood pressure. Yes, that one is better, 100%. If now this marriage, where you and your wife they do, I know they talk to Mama Nora here, because I know say before, that lady, she they pass through a lot. I get high where they take the see. But a lot of people no get high where they take the see. What of all those illiterate women, those bloggers, and the one where no be blogger, one they attacked me the other day because of Mama Nora matter. Where all of honor? Where all of honor? Either prank, either no be prank. Mama Nora don't talk with him dey belle. He say it be like say they stay the same house with them. Now what if Mama Nora talk with that? For this my video, I know they post Mama Nora picture, and I know they put Papa Nora picture. I won't do them, but they're not saying that them are they talk to. Where all of honor? You never finish for now. Yes, set of people then. Wanna come aside, my women, they wanna come they talk to me. Arab, well, more gonna not let me swear Amadi or her give honor. Ona no say 100 by 100, I'm correct. It's better for me to be single and enjoy my life, to take care of, make I take my mind, take care of my children. Ona no see the lady where they say die for France, now your husband kill her. Now beat now the man take panya. Now the same beat. Now Papa Nora give Mama Nora yesterday. The children they shout, then they cry. Hey, dear mommy, oh. Professor Noge follow me give Mama Nora better bass goes. Mama Nora they shout police. Marriage you man. Tuale for all your married women. It's not better for you to be single and enjoy the rest of your life peacefully. They know they take marriage, they enter the kingdom of God. And they know they take marriage, they insult person. Marriage not be waiting and they take the insult. I don't chop waiting I like today. As I come back from work, I branch a reveal. I eat better food for my body. I reach out finish. I still cook, I still eat. See water for my hand. Now I want drink so. I drink her. He enter my body. It go down well. And I no say, marriage no be children play. Marriage, no be waiting that they take the bragado. Don't bragado with your marriage. If your marriage is successful, take your hand, take cover up. Because life waiting, you know, they balance. Single mother, tuale for all of us, because all of us, they enjoy. If you need bola, you chop bola. I get bola now. Not be because of bola, make Mama Nora, make Mama Nora still do the marriage. That bola where you dey chop, me about the chopper. The one when me they even the chop is sweet past your husband. And the chop okobiri home, it is sweet die. From my head to toe, I dey feel and say yes, man is zozo me. I dey tell you, so it's better for me to be single than to go this kind of marriage where I no get us in a marriage na hindi, not marriage. Married, how many times you don't sleep aside? Married, how many times you don't beat your lovely wife? And if they say, we look this marriage, now Mama Nora, now they play the role of marriage woman. Or no, they play the role of man inside this marriage. And I go talk and I go sing talk. If you get high, you go take and see. All those set of people, they wanna come for me the other day. Una puala. All on a course, go back to honor. 100 times. In Jesus' name, amen.
My people, before we go the other side, may I use this one to put jara for una. I must always put jara. Jara oh. Jara. Jara oh. Jara, where you? Wait. Mona, what jara before we go the other side? After message, there is a message, of course. I'm writing on the message down.
It's the first thing you lick in yash. You lick in yash. Yes, so. Because they say I don't like because your teeth, they cement. And they kiss you. And they kiss you. Sweat, and they kiss you. 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 When I call and can I never think I can go the things and go everything. Say, they go the things go wash your teeth, go wash your legs. I'm meeting you. I'm meeting you and I'm meeting you everything. You will go school, but look at your brain. You will go school, see your brain. Ugly. Not that go school. Not that go school. But where is your wisdom? Okay. This one if we get children. Talk about Oh God. They say I know still go marry. Okay, now that one they give you, say I know still go marry me. Yes, so I saw we make here in the door come fuck me. Maybe little weird door come. Oh yeah, door wow. Oh yeah, door wazua. Oh yeah, door wazua. Oh yeah, wow. It's so wazua bread. See? The reason why you know me, say you say you know achiever, you want born because of documents. They say they can't give me documents, they don't give you. You want that because of documents. And not you want that because of documents. And not give no document for you. Go and meet another woman to give you documents. It's easy.
As a new mom, every second in the shower counts. Senex Moisturizer Shower Gel is my ultimate mom hack. It makes my skin feel soft and hydrated for up to 12 hours, so I can spend the rest of my day focusing on what really matters.
Nivea have asked me to take the My Senate challenge.
for you. Yes, so amen. Oh, the thing of me give you. Amen. I pray me come to pass. I pray me come to pass. May another woman give you. May another woman give you documents. And not get no document. And not get we no document for you. And not get we no document for you. We know what? No way. I don't want to give me Wotowoto. No document for you. No document for you. That at the standard, the one you give finish me. Yes. So, the one you give finish me. You my boyfriend. No document for lazy man. That's daily. No document for lazy man. No document for lazy man. Go hospital, no one go hospital. Go school, no one go school. Work, you no one go work. No document for lazy man.
Hold on. Romania.
Yes, so I dey fuck and they go. Yes, so I dey fuck, they go. Fuck is sweet, man. Everybody need to fuck. I dey fuck, man. Everybody. I dey fuck, huh? I dey fuck, man. I dey fuck, man. Fuck is sweet, man. Fuck is sweet, man. Man, this energy, what is stopping you for doing your business? Because he's a lazy boy.
Okay. Mama, I'm going to stop you from going to school.
They're not green.
The baby factory.
Yeah, I've got a baby factory. Yes, so. Yes, my love.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what you not think about this very video? Make una not fail to drop una opinion of what you not think about this very video. But sometimes good make we dey reserve some words. Not be everything you carry come live video. As a no get do this, my sister beg. You know, if you beat everybody for inside this social media, if all of them come out for you, reserve some words. God bless you all. Please like